We are in Nassau, Bahamas, and we booked the Blue Lagoon Island VIP excursion. We will explore Blue Lagoon Island and share our honest review and give you our epic tips that we learned the hard way. I am Melody, and we are following Rod from Always Be Vacationing. It's 8:30 in the morning, and we start off by heading through the empty promenade to the Royal Theatre, where we are grouped and numbered according to excursion. This allows lines out of the ship to go quickly with better social distancing. It's a smooth and painless process. The Blue Lagoon Island ferry picks us up on the dock. The excursion host keeps us socially distanced and masked. And currently in the Bahamas, you're required to wear a mask even while outdoors. It feels hotter than the sun, and all of my sunscreen is melting off. As we pull away from freedom of the seas, notice Nassau. If you've been here before, you won't recognize the port. Remember the big smelly building where they ask you for your passport? Well, it's gone. The straw market area has been raised and it's under construction. When we arrive on Blue Lagoon Island, or rather Salt Key, we are headed to the VIP part of the island.
I want to read the ad so you know what we were expecting. Relax in Bahamian paradise as you're whisked away by boat to an adults-only enclave of Blue Lagoon Island, where you'll enjoy beachside relaxation, plus savor lunch and unlimited mimosas and unlimited select non-alcoholic beverages all day. Take in panoramic island landscapes and coastal breezes as you glide by boat on a 30 to 40 minute journey across Nassau Harbor to the private isle of Blue Lagoon. Settle into a lounge chair among the island's VIP adults-only area. Here you'll enjoy an all-inclusive lifestyle. Sip complimentary mimosas as well as fruit punch, lemonade, iced teas, and bottled water all day long. You can sun along powdery sands, swim in clear blue waters, or venture out to explore the isle's marine animal habitats and water sports offering. There is an additional cost for those. You'll head back to the ship feeling relaxed, re-energized, and ready to return soon. Your lunch menu consists of Bahamian peas and rice, chef's grilled chicken and fish, junkanoo salad, fresh fruit, and cookies.
The best part of lunch is finding a large hermit crab friend. Living landlocked gives us an appreciation of ocean and beach life. Speaking of lunch, it isn't video worthy. We tried to be nice and eat what we were served, but I left a lot on my plate. Boy, am I glad that we have the unlimited specialty dining package back on board. Let's go explore the island. Oh, way over there.
Once again, as you make your way on over to the marine mammal side of the island, before you can enter any of the service areas, please remember to have your facial coverings on properly. And this is covering both your nose as well as your mouth. Once again, we are paging persons that are scheduled to participate in the dolphin swim with the time of 12:30 p.m.
It was a beautiful day and a beautiful little island. It was very hot with the mask on, which wasn't the fault of the owners. As we sail away, we wanted to share 2 tips. Epic tip number 1, we booked the excursion through Royal Caribbean on our mobile app on day 1. We paid $134 per person for a total of $268. It was listed as VIP Blue Lagoon Island Beach Day. Our epic tip is to book this excursion before embarkation. This excursion is currently listed at $99 on the cruise planner for a future sailing we have booked. If you want it, consider booking before you sail. Epic tip number 2, save your money. The VIP was not worth the price. Food was not awesome, and the drinks a little bit lacking on the VIP package, although the service was outstanding. Check our upcoming videos on Perfect Day at Coco Cay. In our opinion, this is a better experience for the money. Join us again next week. We have more Bahamas video on Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Also, we have videos on our favorite Freedom of the Seas food, and we begin visiting other places. We have a walk on South Beach, and coming this fall, Harmony of the Seas, Spain and Italy. If you stick around, we got one promise. We will get better delivering content on 105 places. Thank you for joining us.